fresh out of the oven at Rosa's Bakery. 2 for $5, every morning till noon. See you soon.
This 30-second product ad cost me $0. We made the whole thing in Google Flow for free. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to use Google Flow to make videos, how to get Google Flow credits free every single day, how to generate bulk images in Whisk's new home, and how to lock a consistent character so it stops changing faces on you. Then, once the tutorial is done, I'll show you a simple way to pitch videos like this to small businesses for $150 each. Let's get into it. First, the question thousands of people are typing right now. How do you find Whisk AI in Google Flow? Short answer, it never disappeared. It's baked into Google Flow's tools, and I'll walk you right to it in a minute. And here's the part that surprised me. Image generation in Flow is completely free. The credits only kick in when you make a video. Which brings us to everyone's favorite topic, how to generate bulk images in Whisk's new home. Click in to All Media. You got two ways in, type a prompt or do it the Whisk way. Go to Tools, then scroll all the way down and select Whisk. Drop in a subject image, a scene image, and a style image, and let Flow remix them. We're making assets for a fictional client we'll come back to later, Rosa's Bakery. A small shop that just got an expensive new competitor across the street. For our subject, a friendly cartoon croissant mascot. For the style, warm 1950s diner poster. Generate. There's our first batch. Since images cost nothing here, you can run this over and over, tweak one ingredient at a time, and build a whole folder of options. To generate in bulk, head over to All Media, then set your model and preferences. For this one, I'd go with Nano Banana 2. One important thing, make sure you're sending this to Flow's AI agent, not the standard image prompt box. The agent is what can take a single instruction and run a whole batch. Drop it in the regular generator and you'll get one image back. From there, just ask the agent to generate 30 distinct images, different poses, expressions, and settings, and let it run. Heads up. A few will come back as failed generations. That's Flow's model restrictions kicking in, not you doing anything wrong. Just regenerate the misses and keep the ones that land. That's how you generate images in bulk without spending a credit. Change the scene, keep the subject, run it again. One honest note, if you need true one-click batches, like 50 images from a spreadsheet of prompts, Flow doesn't do that natively yet. There are browser extensions that can automate this, but they require pretty deep permissions on your Google account. If you're okay with that, check out our bulk image generation video, where we use the BulkyGen extension to generate hundreds of images with Google Flow. Here's where Google Flow beats most of the free image tools right now, on Google Flow character consistency. Take your best croissant mascot and save it as an ingredient. That locks the character as a reusable reference. Now, every image and every video that uses this ingredient keeps the same face, the same outfit, the same vibe. Watch. Same mascot behind the counter. Same mascot holding a coffee. Same mascot waving out front. 3 scenes, 1 character, 0 drift. If you're building a storybook, a brand, or a faceless channel, this one feature is the whole ballgame. Now, the main event. How to use Google Flow to make videos. Take any image from your library, ours is the mascot behind the counter, and send it to video. Describe the motion. The croissant slides a fresh tray across the counter, steam rising, warm morning light. Then pick your model. Light costs 10 credits and is the cheapest place to test the shot. OmniFlash costs 15, gives you 10 seconds instead of 8, and can produce some genuinely great results without jumping all the way to fast or quality. If the first result misses, change one thing. Slow the camera down. Simplify the hand movement. Give the model one clear action instead of 5 things fighting for the same clip. With VO, you get up to 8 seconds with sound baked in, so the tray clatters and the room already has ambience. For anything longer, chain the shots in SceneBuilder. Drag them onto the timeline, order them, extend a shot if it ends too early, and preview the sequence before you export. Draft on light. Use OmniFlash when the extra 2 seconds or stronger result is worth 5 more credits. And here's the useful math. 3 OmniFlash clips give you 30 seconds for 45 credits. The free daily balance can cover the full ad in 1 day with 5 credits left over. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What if you run out of credits? Here's exactly how to get Google Flow credits free, straight from Google's own documentation. Every free account gets 50 credits per day for video. You basically have to wait for credit to refresh, and that's it. The refresh starts the day of your first generation, and unused credits do not roll over. So 50 today, 50 tomorrow, but never 100 at once. I know you are disappointed, and you've probably seen searches for Google Flow unlimited credits. Apps, extensions, generators promising infinite VO. Every single one of them is fake. Credits are counted on Google's servers, attached to your account. No download can change that number. What those tools actually do is steal your Google login. If you typed your password into one of them, go change it right now. And if you're a college student, check the description, because Google gives students the Pro plan free for a full year. That's 1,000 credits a month without paying a cent. Before we reveal how you can make money with this, take 1 second to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We post AI content twice a week, packed with tools, tips, and opportunities you don't want to miss. Here's the bonus I promised at the start of the video. That ad you saw in the first 5 seconds, 3 10-second clips, 1 consistent mascot assembled in SceneBuilder. Total credit cost, $45. Total software cost, $0. Send the finished sample with a short proposal to the business email, message its Facebook or Instagram page, or if the store barely exists online, walk in and show the owner the video on your phone. Keep the offer simple. A 30-second product video, 1 or 2 revisions, and a clear delivery date. $150 works as a starter example, but adjust it to the work and your market. The pitch works because they don't have to imagine the result. You already made it. Now they're deciding whether they want their name, product, and offer inside it. We covered that outreach playbook in our Suno AI jingles video, and it works even better when the finished product is already sitting in front of them. So here's the verdict. If you just want images, Flow is free, full stop, and it's the best free AI image generator move Google has made yet. For video, Light is the cheapest place to test. OmniFlash is the sweet spot when you want a 10-second clip without burning 20 or 100 credits. And quality is where you go for the hero shot that actually needs it. The $150 pitch is there if you want it, but the real win is knowing how the pieces fit together. Whisk-style image remixing, ingredients, image to video, and SceneBuilder. If this saved you a subscription fee, generate a click on that subscribe button. And if you want the full money side of this workflow, watch our Suno AI jingles video next. Catch you on the flip side, here on AI World.